is all you'll need for a delicious lemon cheesecake. Some Digestive biscuits, some butter, double cream, caster sugar, soft cheese, and of course fresh lemons, and do use fresh lemons. The first thing you're going to have to do is break your biscuits up so they resemble breadcrumbs. So get them in a food processor. If you haven't got a food processor, get your elbow working with a rolling pin. When your biscuits are in crumbs, take one of your lemons. I get unwaxed lemons, but if you do get waxed ones, give them a good wash. Even the unwaxed ones, give them a good rinse. And take the yellow pith. Don't go down to the white stuff if you can help it, that's a bit bitter. You just want the yellow stuff. When you've taken the pith off, give it a good roll and a squash, and this helps release the juice in it. And then cut it in half and extract your juice. When you've extracted your juice, it's time to put the liquid in with the pith. Use a sieve, catch any bits of lemon and pips that we've got in there. Melt your butter in a pan, then turn off the heat. Then it's in with your biscuit crumbs, and the lemon juice and pith that you've just done. And then it's time to give them a good mix together until it all resembles wet sand. You've got something like that, it's time to get out your cake tin. Get your cake, or flan tin in this case, and give it a good smearing with some butter. Then get your biscuit base, get them in there, and what you're going to do, you're going to flatten it down. Get it down there and really flatten it down. Once you've flattened it down, something like that, it's time to put that into the fridge so that the butter solidifies and it sets the base for about an hour. With your biscuit base chilling in the fridge, it's time to get a mixing bowl out, go in with your cream cheese, your double cream, all sounds very creamy, and then your remaining pith and juice from your other 2 lemons. And then to counteract all that sourness, you're going in with 2 heaped teaspoons of your sugar. Then you're going to mix all that together until it's lovely and creamy. When you give it a good mix, you want it resembling something like that. And then you're also going to put this in the fridge to chill down along with your biscuit base. When they've cooled down in the fridge, it's time to get your filling on top of your biscuit base and then just smooth it out as best you can. Then you just want to finish off the top of your cake. I've saved some of the biscuit base. I'm just going to give it a topping of that so the top matches the bottom. Once you've got your biscuit crumbs on there, push them down into your cheesecake. Then I'm just going to finish it off with a homemade lemon curd. Then it's back into the fridge for the lemon curd to thicken.